In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access a Shopify 3-month trial. To begin, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. This is the official Shopify website, so it is the safest place to start your sign up and make sure you are seeing the correct trial offer. Once the page loads, you will see an option to start the free trial. Enter your email address in the sign up field, then click the button that says Start Free Trial. Use an email address you can access right away because you may need it for account verification or important store notifications later. Next, you will create your Shopify account. Follow the prompts on screen to finish setting up your login. When you are asked to create a password, choose something strong and unique. Make a note of it in a secure place so you can sign in again easily. Then continue through the setup screens until Shopify takes you into the admin area. After your account is created, you will see options related to choosing a plan and billing. Select the monthly billing cycle. This matters because the $1 per month promotional pricing typically applies to monthly billing. If Shopify offers an option to skip certain setup steps so you can create your store first, go ahead and use the skip option. This helps you get into the store builder quickly, so you can start working on your store before spending extra time on plan decisions. Now, set up your store. Choose online store as your store type, then create your store name when prompted. Pick a name that fits your brand and is easy to remember. Do not worry if you need to adjust details later, because many settings can be updated after your store is created. Finally, review the trial pricing details. You will be charged $1 immediately for your first month. Then you will be billed $1 for the second month and $1 for the third month. After the 3 months are over, your plan will revert to the standard price, which is currently around $39 per month for the basic plan. Mark that renewal point on your calendar so you can decide whether to continue, upgrade, or cancel before the regular billing begins. And that is all there is to it.